In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement bar on Shopify. An announcement bar is that slim strip at the top of your website where you can highlight things like free shipping, flash sales, or important updates. It's a simple feature, but it can really help guide your visitors' attention. In this tutorial, we'll use a free app called Essential Announcement Bar, and I'll walk you through everything from finding the app to seeing the bar live on your store. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and apps. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. This is where you can see the apps you've already installed and discover new ones. On the Apps page, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps and click on that. This will open a section where Shopify suggests tools for your store. From there, click on Shopify App Store to open the full app marketplace in a new view. In the App Store, go to the search bar at the top and type in Essential Announcement Bar. Press Enter and you'll see a list of apps. When you see Essential Announcement Bar in the results, click on it to open the app's detail page. Here you can quickly check reviews and features if you want. Next, click on the Install button. Shopify may show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access in your store. Review that, then click Install again to confirm. Once the app opens inside your admin, don't start customizing just yet. First, you need to activate the app embed so it can actually appear on your theme. Look for the section that mentions activating the app embed and click on Open Theme Settings. This takes you into your theme editor. In the theme editor, on the left side, you'll see a toggle for the announcement bar app. Click that toggle to turn it on, then make sure you hit Save at the top right. Without saving, the bar won't show up on your live store. Now go back to the app page. You'll see an option to create a new announcement bar. Click on Create a New Announcement Bar, then choose the announcements type you want and click. Select this announcement type. You'll see a range of customization options like text, colors, and placement. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple and just publish the default bar that comes preloaded. Click Publish. To check that everything is working, go back to your Shopify admin, click Online Store, and then click View Your Store. Your site will open in a new tab, and you should now see the announcement bar displayed at the very top of the page.